Alright then, welcome back on the beach again. Yeah, back out with the Deus too. I'm just around the corner from where I was the other day, so let's see what we can find here. It's not as forgiving by the looks of it, so if I don't get anything here, what I'll do is I'll go back to the beach, the other beach that I was at, and then just pick up a load more fishing weights. Scrapman loves them, so might as well just get a load more, and then when we get up to Glasgow, offload them to EMR and make a bit of money from them. I think I've got about £25 worth at the moment, so let's see if we can get some more. Off this beach, yeah, it's a bit hit and miss. So there is some kind of gravelly surface, and then the rest of it is like a rock, so it's solid rock, so I can't get through it anyway, so I'll be looking for the little pools and all of that around there. So yeah, enjoy. See at the first hole, or at least some of the holes, if I find any here. As I say, if not, then you won't even see this intro. It'll be a different intro for the other beach. Thanks a lot. See you at the first hole. Bye. Right, I've got a 46. It's just a disc. There's no writing on there. There's nothing at all. Not even a hole in it. So I can't even call it a dog tag. But yeah, just a disc. Don't know what it might have been from, but just a disc. And there you go. First, now, one spoon. I can't remember what it came up as now. I think it was a 73. It's stainless steel, as per the name on the spoon itself. But there you go, a spoon. I don't know if that's 98 or 86. It's a tag on the beach. Don't know whether it's one of the old miners ones, as they're they weren't too far away from here. So it looks like a 98 or an 86. There you go. I know normally the tallies are normally circular, but I don't know what they were back in the day. So there you go. A little tag with a number on it. 88 straight away. Can it be a pound, or can it be a penny? Or can it be a bit of aluminium? Yeah, let's go for a bit of aluminium, shall we? Never mind. I'll just check anyway, just to make sure. Yeah, nothing else there. Oh yeah, just a bit of aluminium. The tide's on its way out now, so I'm going to do a little bit up here. There is the soft sand up there where people were yesterday, and this eventually disappears and you can walk around the corner. That's where all the lead weights are, so I intend getting a few more lead weights today. So let's see if we can get any coins as well. Enjoy. And see you at the you've just seen the very first hole here, but yeah, see you on many more holes, I expect. I've got a 92. What's that? Off a big bit of copper. Big bit of copper. $84 could be, may I say it could be a fishing weight. Could be. That's what most of them were coming up as yesterday. Doesn't feel heavy in it. Oh, it is. And there's the first one. The first one of today. There you go. Little ball cap, whatever it's called. letting water out, so you turn that and the water flow goes through. And there you go. Got an 88 right on the edge. Wonder if it's another bit of copper. Right, it's out. Yeah, what's that? Yeah, another bit of copper. Oh dear. Oh, jumped out. Don't want to stay. Oh, there you go. Another bit of copper. That's an 85, possibly another fishing weight. Yeah, another one. There you go, another fishing mate. Another fourer. Another four, I should say, not a fourer. There you go. I've got 61, 61, 62. Is it a ring pull? Or is it something else? That's another vape. That's come up low numbers. And normally in their upper 80s, mid 90s. There you go, another vape. God, dearie me. Right. Oh, it's in the scoop. Oh no, it's 50p. Can't get it. 50 pence. Oh, there you go. Oh, I got a 91. Possibly a penny. 2 pence even. Possibly. I'm not going as far as saying what it is. But it's the right numbers, put it that way. And my luck, it'll be another bit of copper, I expect. Let's find a little pool. Yeah, there we go. 2 pence. Ah, it's got round pound. Round pound. Happy days. Oh, it's not a fishing weight. It's a spinner. At least that's what I think you call them. It's an Abu, Toby Abu. 12, 9, 3. Oh, 12 grams, 3/7 of an ounce. Abu, Sweden. And there you go. If it's a coin. That's a shout. Oh, what's this? Is that it? No, that's it there. Yeah, penny. Just a penny. Oh, we've got 91. possibly, and I'm only going to say possibly, a 2p a piece. There's that coin. Yeah, 2p a piece. There you go. Another 88. Is it going to be a flat weight or is it going to be a coin? No, it's going to be neither. It's going to be a copper washer. Oh, there you go. On copper washer. Where are we? I think you can just see the candlestick. I'm at the beach. I've been at the beach below there. Same one as yesterday. I've got just a couple, well, say a couple, probably about 4 or 5 coins today. And probably about 20, 25 lead weights again. That's what I went there for, just to make up the weight again. So yeah, if you've got this far, thank you very much appreciated. I won't be doing any more detecting here, and do a bit of sightseeing stuff, and then maybe a beach near the north of Cumbria before heading into Scotland. If not, then it'll be a Scottish beach next. So yeah, so a couple of beaches done, or a singular beach, sorry, done twice, and I've still walked away with loads of stuff, and there's still lots and lots more there. Thank you. As I say, if you've got this far, don't forget the LP code OPS10, so that's OPS10 for 10% discount on most metal detecting items. Not always a detector and not always a coil, but every now and again they do pop up, so please use the code. If not, again, as always, use someone else's code. There's plenty of our LP codes out there now, so yeah, any will do. But yeah, thank you very much appreciated. See you later on the next video, whenever that may be. So yeah, there's potential that there's going to be at least possibly 3 weeks, but I have got 2 videos ready to go out, so that will get me to at least 2 weeks, and then hopefully I'll have the Scottish, well, if I can get on the beaches in Scotland, then the Scottish one. See you later, bye.